If you ask me what Fearing's niche is, I would say it's our total source concept. We've had this concept for quite some time and we're continually perfecting it. But what total source means is that being a low voltage systems integrator, we bring these numerous disciplines to the table. Now what does that do for you? What does that mean to you, the customer? It means that you can have one point of contact to handle all of your low voltage needs. Audio, video, security, low voltage cabling. We can do it all. That eliminates a lot of headaches for you, the customer, because you only have one person to deal with. You only have one check to write when there's service, one check to write when there's a new installation that needs to be done. You're not dealing with XYZ company for one product, XYZ for another company. Now we know we can't be all things to all people. So we literally within our company have specialists that specialize in security, specialists that specialize in AV, specialists that specialize in the cabling. So that we don't mix them together when it comes to the engineering stage. Our salespeople, on the other hand, can handle all across the board the meetings and the contacts with you, but inside their support level is all specifically geared towards a specific discipline within the company.